On our way na! Pagod na pero excited na talaga. Lagi naming binabanggit, new house, new house. So ito na yun. Mas pagod to. Lalo na to. Mas pagod to. Kanina pa pabalik-balik sa infinity stairs.
Exercise yan.
Tapos mamaya, ay bukas yung movers. And then Sunday yung cleaners naman. So excited na din si Bree.
Excited na daw. Gusto daw makihay.
Ayan o, excited na. Pinaliguan namin, saka ginupitan ko sa mata para naman cute-cute siya mamaya sa pictures and videos.
Say hi. Say hi na.
Sige, punta na muna kami.
Exterior waterfront back. Have a winterizing nose. Perfect. Because it's possession day, I'll get you to take a picture of that.
Yeah, it's a nice look, and the laundry door is the same. That one actually matches because it's a laundry door.
negotiated.
Ooh,
Yes, no, it looks really good.
that's nice.
Awesome. So I'll take you to the first two lists, seasonal and exterior. Seasonal's all done, so it's empty.
Seasonal meaning the sound and...
Yeah, exactly. So your grass is done. Like some people have like dirt in their front yards, so that's done.
Okay.
The parging's done. The parking pad is done. All of that stuff that's like warm weather only is all finished. Okay, exterior items is separated by the sides of your house. Front side, left side, right side, back side. Because it's a duplex, you actually don't have a left side because it's just your neighbor's house.
Yeah.
So, your elevation left is NA. They're not legal documents. It's more for Morrison to keep track of what the house looks like when it turns over to you guys. So if there's issues that like every house on this street has this problem, we try and fix it before it gets to this point, right?
Is the door looking good? Like with the painting and...
There's probably
This one, are you going to repaint it?
I wasn't planning on it. I mean, I guess there's a little scratch there.
Yeah, there's a few scratches here and there.
Yeah. Okay, I agree. Yeah.
Yeah, it can be repainted. That would be.
Okay. Yeah, we can put that on there. For front. All right, so we've been outside. We've been top to bottom in
Yeah.
here. The only thing that I had in here. So we're doing the magnets,
Yes,
and we're gonna do the locks on there.
yes, please.
The other thing I'm gonna have done after possession is I'm gonna have a painter come out.
Yeah.
Because there's just a few little things I've already seen that I just
Yeah.
want to get done. One of them, for example, just behind you, like
Yeah.
there's going to be little stuff like dents like that. I think right here is missing a tiny bit of paint,
Yeah.
stuff like that.
Yeah.
Little things.
Three?
Yeah.
So yeah.
Little things, but we'll have a painter come out and fix
Please.
that. So.
Thank you.
What's that excited? Ilang taon siya?
6 months. Baby, yeah.
Okay, guys, congratulations! You now own this house.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You guys are very welcome. Here are your keys.
Perfect.
2 sets each, in case you lose one.
Yeah. Oh, okay, that's good. Yeah, there's 4.
All 4 keys open all 3 doors.
Okay.
They all have the same key.
Same for the back as well?
Yeah, front, side, and back are all the
Are
same.
those
Okay.
programmable locks or?
Like with a keypad?
No, not the...
No, but like the Wiser key, yeah. If you had your own Wiser key and you wanted to switch it to that, yeah, you can do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect.
Don't have to call a locksmith or anything.
Yeah.
So.
Okay.
And thanks for the gifts.
Thank
You
you.
guys are very welcome.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoy the house. The last thing I'll give you is Natalia's contact.
Okay.
So she's the warranty coordinator. She's my girl in the office.
Yeah.
I run appointments like this throughout the day, trying to
Yeah.
answer my phone when I'm with
Yeah,
you guys.
yeah.
So if there's any questions, comments, concerns, any issues that come up, go to her first. She'll usually have an answer for you, or she'll send me out if we need to come out.
Okay.
But she'll respond to you faster than I will. So.
Okay.
Okay?
For sure. Thank you so much.
You guys are very welcome.
Thank you.
I will pack up and get out of here.
So, possession day namin ngayon, and guess who's here? Thank
Special
you
guest
so
namin.
much! Oo nga.
May special delivery this
Yes.
Oh, yung request ko talaga.
So I really, talagang had to, make it happen. Kasi talagang
Kaya nga.
special request. ng
Sabi ko,
Bicol.
ito lang, okay na ako, happy na ako. Kaya thank you.
So, from these videos, sa mga hindi pa nakakita, yun nga sabi ni Molly. Special request daw is Biko.
Yan ang gusto niya
Pero,
possession.
sa lahat ng mga Biko na natikman ko sa ngayon, ito yung
Yes.
talagang
The
tama-tama yung timpla,
Yeah.
yung pagkatamis, sakto lang talaga.
Oo, the best talaga. And nakakatuwa kasi pumunta talaga si Jillian para i-congratulate kami sa new house. So, tinur ko na din siya.
Yeah.
Sabi ko nga, maggawa ulit ng pangalawang house tour. Kasama siya.
Oo, kung may mga ina-ask tayo sa kanya, di ba? Pero yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is my first, sabi ko nga, my first time attending a possession day. No, it's because I had to deliver the Biko.
Oo.
Pero it's, every time I see possession date, kasi pag kunyari possession date ng mga kliyente ko, they send me pictures.
Yeah.
So pictures ko lang talaga na, and then,
Oo.
nag-thank you sila sa akin. Pero through text, through lang.
Oo.
Yan, iba pa rin talaga pag in person.
Kaya nga.
Yeah.
Pero wag kayong magselos ha. Sa Biko kasi.
Kasi yung Biko fresh, I had to deliver the Biko, kaya kailangan,
Oo.
Baka
Kaya,
malay natin, baka sa susunod, yung bigyan ng Biko.
Biko, request nila.
mag-special request lang kayo katulad ko.
Yes.
Kaya yun. Kaya basta sobrang happy ako na pumunta ka and may
Thank you.
Biko ako.
Thank you so much. No, thank you so much for
Thank you
your
very
trust.
much.
And, it really makes it makes my job a lot easier na yung cooperation ng client and yung trust ng client that you gave us.
Yeah.
Right? So talagang you guys are awesome clients. Have been
Thank
awesome
you.
from start to finish. And, yeah, madali yung
Oo.
trabaho.
Yeah. Well, pinadali mo din kami yung
Lahat ng information
and
sa
all
kanila,
that.
yung guidance mo din, nakatulong talaga.
Oo. Kaya nga
Thank you din
nagulat
sa'yo.
kami na ang bilis lang din, thorough, pero like proactive ka talaga like, lagi. Kaya yun.
Salamat. Thank you so much. Congratulations.
Thank you.
The less liabilities you have, the better.
That's Alex, you silly.
That's pretty much it. Yeah.
Sure.
Behind that.
Ano naman parang
Yeah.
Huh?
bago yata mata.
Kaya
Yeah, I think I found that moving here, there are some rules that are still different. Just a single little unit. So what you call it? Yeah. So everything included.
No, there's Alex. See?
Okay, okay.
Alex is there.
Yeah.
I'm not looking with the brands. The new job soon.
Yeah.
Second job soon.
There's Alex.
Yeah.
So we also wanna thank Jillian kasi
Hindi
busy
nabuksan.
kami kanina. Hindi namin nabuksan.
Oo.
So yung card niya, tapos yung message niya, thank you talaga. As
Thank
in,
you very
na-appreciate
much.
namin na pumunta ka na. Then may
Yeah,
gift
tapos
ka pa.
totally unexpected pa talaga. Yeah, thank you
Oo.
very much.
And sa gift card na sobrang na-excite ako dahil
Ah.
magsha-shopping kami. Bukas, hindi pa bukas. Hindi pa kaya ng powers namin bukas.
Ah.
Sa siguro, 2 or 3 days from now. Pero thank you talaga.
You. Yeah, totally unexpected, but thank you very much.
Kasi sabi ko, di ba, Biko, sapat na.
Yeah.
Pero meron pa palang ganito. So, thank you talaga. Anong oras na ba ngayon? Mag-8 na ata. Ang dami din namin nagawa. Masaya kami talaga na finally nandito na. Ito na yon, bahay na. Pero ang dami pa naming bukas, lalo na movers. So,
Yeah, medyo pagod na.
ito kanina, ilang beses natamaan yung P-pad ni Brie. Tapos, gumano na siya, kumewang na siya, natakot tuloy ako.
Wala. Pagod na. Pero ito, nandito kami ngayon sa bahay. Nakapag-deliver ng mga bagay, kumbaga.
Oo.
Papaano.
Pero wala kaming cortina, wala kaming... Kasi nag-order kami sa Amazon.
Oo.
Tapos napunta sa ibang bahay, nakakainis.
Yan, kung hanapin niyo yung lugar, hindi makikita sa GPS pa. Kaya
Oo.
malamang mga sana couple of days lang, pero
Really no mess.
kailangan sigurong ipaalam doon sa post office na official na may bahay dito sa location na to.
Kaya nga eh. Saka yung walkthrough na ginawa ni Carter kanina, additional na lang.
Mm-mm.
Kung hindi daw nagawa, like may quinis nga kami eh.
Yung mga maintenance ng bahay.
Oo, dapat alam namin. So, mabait naman si Carter. Thank you, Carter. Tapos, siya nga ang nagbigay sa amin ng susi. Tapos, pinapirma kami ng kung ano-ano. Then, yung home warranty. So, then si Jillian nga, thank you so much for...
Special visit nga. Hindi namin na susupot siya dito, pero...
for the biko and the gift. Yeah.
Yes. Kaya thank you very much. At
We're so happy. We're so
Yeah.
happy na nandito na kami. And please, stay tuned sa mga susunod naming episodes. Magto-talk pa rin tayo about sa experience with the builder, tapos magkano yung rate na nabigay sa amin, magkano yung down payment, mga ganun bagay. Pero medyo...
nandito na sa bahay, di ba?
Oo. Be patient lang ha, kasi busy pa. Pero pag magkaroon na kami ng time, Bueno.
Update lang, di ba?
Oo.
Kaya sa mga gusto magsubaybay dyan, mag-subscribe lang kayo. And I guess, thank you din sa mga nag-continue na magsubaybay. Kaya, pero sa ngayon, I guess,
Magpapahinga na muna
Pahinga
kami.
na muna.
Matutulog kami ng maaga ngayon dahil maaga din kami gigising
Yes.
tomorrow.
so I guess until next time, bye!
Bye!